Assalamualaikum students, and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria. So students, as you know that we were doing
lesson number 2 of your textbook. So what you have to do, you have to take out your textbook and open your page number 43 and mention date. Today is 10/7/2020 and classwork and day is Friday. Today we are going to do adjectival and adverbial phrases. These adjectival and adverbials are the two words derived from the adjective and adverbs. ठीक है, adjectival or adjectives describe more about the noun and adverbials describe more about the verb. ठीक है, so these two words describe about the noun and the verb. So now first of all we have to look at what are the phrases. Here is the definition of the phrases. Phrases are short word groups that add information. What is the purpose of these phrases? They add information in the sentence. ठीक है, these are the short word groups. They aren't saying that the word of letters, they are saying that word of group of words. ठीक है, short group of words, so that added the information in a sentence. What are the group of letters? For example, these are the group of letters. ठीक है, or a single word. For example, this opposite, this is a single word and it is a combination of the group of letters. ठीक है, but all these are this full sentence is the group of words. ठीक है, so phrases are the short word groups that add information. A phrase does not have a subject. In the phrase we don't have the subject. Who is the subject? The person or the thing which is performing the action. ठीक है, the verb in a phrase does not indicate a period of time in which the action happened or will happen. What happened to this phrase? It don't have the subject but it have the verb. But verb, what did the word doesn't indicate the time period. For example, it doesn't show that in which time period they were working. ठीक है, laughing to himself, this is a phrase. Being very fond of fish curry, this is also a phrase, but it don't have the subject, it don't have the subject. ठीक है, and it is also not showing the time period. ठीक है, the phrases above do not have a subject, they don't have the subject. They also do not reflect the time period in which the actions occur. We don't know at which time he laughed. We don't know at which time he is very fond to the fish curry. Laughing and being are both verb forms which do not indicate a period of time. This laughing, ठीक है, laugh is a verb. Being, laughing and being are all the verbs, but they aren't showing the time period. ठीक है, कि in which time they are talking about. They need helping verbs like have or be to reflect a sense of time. These words need these, have and be to reflect the sense of time. यानी कि अगर इन वर्ड्स के साथ ये have और be लगेगा तो ये टाइम पीरियड शो करेगा कि ये have जो है ये प्रेजेंट टेंस की बात कर रहा है या फ्यूचर की बात कर रहा है या जिस टेंस की भी बात कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो अगर हम इफ़ वी वांट टू शो द टाइम पीरियड, सो वी मस्ट हैव टू ऐड दीज helping verbs with these verbs, so it will be clear that this is the time period of the future or the past or the present. So if we want to show the time period, ठीक है, और जिसमें हम phrase भी use ना करें, so हमें ऐसे और sentence लिखना होगा. The king was laughing to himself and they were very fond of fish curry. Now look at the adjectival phrases. ठीक है, this was a discussion about the phrases. Now we are going to read about the adjectival phrases, that what are the adjectival phrases actually. Adverbial phrases like adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. They always begin with either the present participle, the past participle, or the infinitive forms of a verb. The present participle verb form ends in ing, for example, laughing and being, and the past participle verb form ends in ed, as in delighted and astonished. So they are saying that these adjectival phrases like adjectives, ठीक है, जो adjectives होते हैं, what they did, they describe nouns and the pronouns. What are the nouns and what are the pronouns? Nouns are the name, noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal, ठीक है, and the pronouns are used instead of the noun, not to repeat noun again and again in a sentence or in a paragraph or in a passage or in a essay, ठीक है. So we need adjectives to describe more about these nouns and the pronouns, and adjectival phrases also describe about noun and the pronouns as adjectives did. So they are saying the adjectival phrases always begin with either present participle or past participle or the infinitive forms of a verb. Present participle which is ended with the verb which is ended with ing, for example laughing and being. In a past participle the words are ended with ed, ठीक है, for example delighted and astonished, ठीक है. Infinitive forms of a verb, the infinitive form of a verb is the verb in its basic form. What is the basic form? For example laughing, so the laugh is the basic form, ठीक है. It is the version of the verb which will appear in the dictionary. यानी कि डिक्शनरी में जो आपके पास उन्होंने आपके पास एक बेसिक वर्ड दिया होता है वो क्या होता है, वो इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म होती है आपकी. द इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज़ यूजली प्रिसीडेड बाय टू. इट फॉर एग्जांपल to run, to walk, etc. But it not always preceded by to, ठीक है. हर वक्त ये to run, to walk इस तरह से हर वक्त ये उन verbs के साथ end नहीं हो रहा होगा या start नहीं हो रहा होगा, ठीक है. हर वक्त ये इसके साथ नहीं होगा, to जो है वो हर वक्त नहीं होगा, ठीक है, but usually होता है, ठीक है. It can be used as a noun, an adjective or adverb. This infinitive verb form of verb can be used as a noun, as an adjective or as an adverb in a sentence. So look at the first example. Dancing was her passion. So this dancing is a noun. Then I need a volunteer to take the minutes. So this volunteer is adjective. He will complete the mission to set an example. To set an example is the adverb, ठीक है. It is working as the adverb, this working as the adjective because this is describing the noun, ठीक है. And dancing is working as or acting as a noun in a sentence. So this was the infinitive verb. Now look at these examples. Being very fond of fish curry and delighted at his good fortune. This is starting with present participle and this is started with past participle. Why? Because this word is ending with ed and this word is ending with ing, ठीक है. If these sentences were written with clauses that specified a time period, they would read as follows. The minister, who was very fond of fish curry, asked his wife to prepare some for lunch. The fisherman, who was delighted at his good fortune, brought the rohu to the minister's house. ठीक है. क्या कह रहे हैं? If we want to show the time period in it, we have to add a clause in it. ठीक है. When we will add clauses in a sentence, they will be written as like this, but they will show the time period. But if we don't want to show the time period and we are just wanted to add the phrase, so that will be written as these sentences, like these sentences, ठीक है. और अगर हम चाहते हैं कि उसमें टाइम पीरियड शो हो तो वो ऐसे क्लॉजेस में आएगा. टाइम पीरियड ना शो हो और फ्रेज ऐड करें और क्लॉज ऐड ना करें तो वो ऐसे सेंटेंस होगा, और अगर करें तो वो ऐसे सेंटेंस होगा, ठीक है. इन क्लॉजेस वी स्पेसिफाइड अ टाइम पीरियड बट इन phrases we didn't specified any kind of time, ठीक है. Adjectival phrases. Now come to the adjectival phrases. Again are also formed with an infinitive. Adjectival phrases are also formed with an infinitive as they formed with the present participle and the past participle. The infinitive refers to the basic form of a verb. As I have told you, it usually preceded by to. For example, to be, to sing, to have. ठीक है. Infinitive verbs are the basic form of the verb and they usually preceded by this to be, to sing, to have, to walk, as I have told you earlier. ठीक है. The thief was looking for a house to break into. Adjectival infinitive phrase telling us why the thief was looking for a house, because he want to break into the house. ठीक है. So this adjectival phrase or infinitive phrase told us that he also wanted to find a place to sleep. Adjectival infinitive phrase telling us what kind of place he wanted to find. So what this phrase or adjectival infinitive telling us that telling us what kind of place he wanted to find, yani कि where he can easily sleep. Then however he had to look for some food to eat first. This is the adjectival infinitive phrase telling us that why he wanted to find some food, because he feels hungry and he want to eat it. ठीक है. Move to the next page. Adjectival phrases like adverbs tell us when or how the action happened. They usually include prepositions. What are the prepositions? A preposition is a word that shows the link between a noun or pronoun and other words of the sentence. ठीक है. Then preposition also tells us that to how we can show that this thing happened when, where or how something happens. ठीक है. Then it is sometimes also used to show who does something. For example, there is an incident happened but we don't know that who did it, then we will use preposition and it will tell us that who does something. And it also can be used to show when, where or how something happened, and it creates a link between a pronoun or a noun with other words of the sentence. यानी noun और pronoun का एक लिंक क्रिएट करता है बाकी सेंटेंस के साथ. ठीक है. और ये हमें क्या बताता है कि कोई भी काम कहाँ हुआ, कैसे हुआ और क्यों हुआ. ठीक है. कैसे, क्यों, कब, कहाँ. देन इट ऑल्सो टेल्स अस दैट हु डज समथिंग, यानी किसने वो काम किया है. ठीक है. किसने किया. ओके. सो एडवर्बियल फ्रेजेस लाइक एडवर्ब्स. ठीक है. what adverbs tells, they tell us when or how the action happened, कि कोई काम कब, कहाँ, कैसे हुआ. they usually include prepositions, and preposition का भी काम क्या होता है, it tells us that when, where or how something happened. ठीक है. so adverbial phrases का काम भी adverbs की तरह होता है और इसमें ज़्यादातर जो है वो preposition ऐड की जाती है. यूजुअली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूजुअली, नॉट ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है. The ministers left the place with a heavy heart. Adverbial phrase telling us how the minister felt when he left the place with a heavy heart is showing that how he left the place. Then in this mood, he told his wife the bad news yesterday morning. Two adverbial phrases telling us how he felt when he told his wife the news and when he did so. ठीक है. We, as you can see, we can use two adverbial phrases in a one sentence. ठीक है. And what these two adverbial phrases telling us that how he felt and when he how he felt. ठीक है. and when he told his wife about that news. ठीक है. So students, this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next lecture, and in next lecture we will do activity book work of this exercise. ठीक है. of this topic, adjectival and adverbial phrases का. And I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.